Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw and color Chibimaru. So let's get started. To draw this cute little dog from Sanrio, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So right here, I'm going to draw a soft curve. This is going to be right in the center of its head, right there. Nice long curve like that. And then we're going to start to bring out the ears. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve up. And let's do the same thing on the other side so it's nice and even. So I'm just going to go right across, about right here, give myself a point so I know about how high to go. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and finish this one ear first. We're going to bring it down a little bit with a soft corner and then dip it in a little bit and then come back up. So it's just a soft dip and out. And then from there, we're going to bring it down, dip it in and come around. So we're heading back to this area right here. And so from there, we're going to draw these three little curves on the ear. So one, and this is the third one, and then just bring it right back up. So that's the ear. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So, but right here, I'm just going to once again dip it in with a soft corner, come out. And I'm not even too worried about it being exactly the same. It doesn't have to be at all. We just want to kind of aim for the same height. So then we're just going to come in here, dip it in once again, and start to curve it in. So from there, we're just going to give ourselves a point so we know that we don't go too far down or too far up. So just come over here, just give yourself a little point, just so you know about how low to go. Right there. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to bring it around again. One, another one, and the last one. And once again, just bring it in. So there, I think that's the hardest part of this drawing, the ears. From there, everything else is a lot easier. So from there, we're just gonna imagine this curve coming around. So nice big head. So about right here, just give myself a point. So about right there. And then we're just gonna bring a curve down. So we're going to start to draw the face now. So let's just bring this over about right there. Okay, so we have the two curves and now we can start to draw the zigzags on the side of the face. So I'm going to come over here and start with 3 zigzags. Down and one more. And just bring it in. So same thing over here. We're going to aim for 3 and one more. Then from there, we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a flattened out curve. So just come over here. And connect it. Okay. And so then from there, let's go ahead and bring this little puppy to life. So I'm going to start in the center right here and give it a tiny little nose. So towards the bottom, the eyes and everything is going to be below, around this area where we started with the cheek area. So in this center right here in the bottom, let's just draw a little nose. So it's just a little oval. And then we're going to draw the mouth. So it's kind of like a widened out W. So from the center of that oval, just bring out a little curve and another little curve. And then we're just going to connect it, kind of like a U shape. There. And so now to draw the eyes. So once again, the eyes are going to be on the side and not too high up, just kind of like in this area where you started zigzag. Just draw a big, nice size circle. So let's do the same thing on the other side. There. So let's make them just cute eyes. And we come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, 2 small circles and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So I hope you guys are enjoying my Sanrio drawings lately that I've been doing. I've been inspired. And so if you love Sanrio, please check out my Sanrio playlist for more of these cute drawings from Sanrio. Okay, so then from up there, let's come up about right here towards the ear, and we're just going to draw a little curve on top of each eye, just to anchor the eye. Oh, isn't that so cute? So this little dog here has two little brown cheeks, but I'm just going to do that when I color it in because I don't want a harsh black line. So from there, let's draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come here, just give myself two little points so it's nice and centered for the body. And I'm just going to bring an angle line down. Just a small little body. And then from there, I'm going to come in this area right here below and draw the feet. So it's just a curve that comes up, kind of like an oval, and bring it back. I guess kind of like drawing a C at a slant. Oops! I just mucked up my paper. Okay, so same thing over here. Now it's just going to be backwards. So it's a C and back for the little feet. And let's just go ahead and connect it at the bottom right here. And then the hands. So right here, just give it a little curve, kind of like a U at a slant, and a curve. And then we have this little tail. So we're going to come up, and it's 3 curves, 2 and 3, and bring it in. So there, that's pretty much it for the drawing part for Chibimaru. So now to color it. So there, Chibimaru all drawn and colored. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.